Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing our Birchbox for February 2020. In here we should get between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup samples. As always, if I don't know something's cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, as well as breaking down the value of the box. So I will do the math, find out the sample size values of everything we're getting in here, add it all up, see if we're getting a good deal or not. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're always opening up the description box and checking that out down there. All right, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into it. I will say first, they did change their box. It's been like a peach color for as long as I've gotten it, I believe. And I always say yes on the front, but this time it is like green and it says, hey look, I'm not a bill, which is actually kind of nice. Where'd you come from? I thought he was outside. You were outside with your father, and now you're inside with me and actually that's a football from a Birchbox, or sorry, a Barkbox. These are always the hardest to get into. This is not a Barkbox. I know you heard me say that, now you all want in here, but no. Alright, I'm destroying this. Okay. Alright, thank you. Appreciate the help. Oh, you want the cardboard? No, I just cleaned house. Sorry, they're being very nosy. Let's put that right there. Okay, so the box looks like this month. It's like black and white there on the front and then purple on the bottom. No, you can't have this. Okay, let's just see what we have. Okay, so this little card right here will tell us the full size values of everything we're getting in here, as well as a little bit about each of the products. And then we have a Birchbox tip number 179. Going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts. Very true. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is a BB cream from Marcelle. Marcelle is cruelty free. I found that out last month, I believe. Can you not chew that right now, Bronx? Can you not chew that right now? You're being very noisy. Well, that seemed to work. Sorry if you hate dogs and sounds, but welcome to my channel. I have dogs. Josie, stop. Ma'am, stop. Get out of here. Okay, so anyways, back to this item. I got something from Marcelle last month, a mascara. That's how I found out they're cruelty free. This is a BB cream in the shade Golden Glow. What's happening? It says a skin enhancer for all skin types. Oh, and it just exploded out. So I'll go ahead and show you the shade that they gave me. There it is on my hand. Looks like it'll be a decent match. I typically don't love tinted moisturizers. I like BB creams, but tinted moisturizers just don't give me enough coverage, so typically not a fan of those. Okay, so the full size of that is valued at 29 bucks. It said on there all skin types, and here it says gives your skin a radiant glow while controlling shine, which I don't have a problem with. I actually have dry skin, so curious to see how that would work. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Love of Color, which is cruelty free. This is a liquid shimmer shadow in the shade Stardust. So this is, I think, just a liquid eyeshadow, yeah. So I'll go ahead and do a swatch. I typically don't enjoy liquid shadows, but yeah, I don't love this color. So it looks, I guess it does look champagne-y there, but there it is on my hand. It's real light. Maybe on the inner corner of my eye I can make that work, so I'll give that a try and see if I like it. The full size, this is 10 bucks. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is something I've had before. This is from Dr. Lipp. This is a tint, a sweet potato pigment. I'm pretty sure I had this exact one. I don't know. It's just like a lip balm. It doesn't really have much tint to it. I'll show you real quick on my hand. So, I mean, I guess it is technically tinted, but it's not like a ton of color. So let me rub it into my skin. Yeah, and you can't see any color there. So not the best thing. It's also very sticky, which is not the type of balm I enjoy to wear. So got that. The full size of that is $7.99. Can I help you, sir? Let's pull out this. This next thing is from R+Co or R+Co, not sure of the exact name. This is a analog cleansing foam conditioner. So it looks like a dry conditioner. Is that what I'm understanding? Let's see. Clean and hydrate hair with this 2-in-1 cleansing conditioner that saves you a step in the shower. Massage a small amount into wet hair from roots to ends, then rinse. Okay, so I guess it's a mousse. I don't know why I thought this was like dry shampoo sort of packaging, so if I look at it, it's a mousse. It's like a leave-in conditioner. Not mad to get that. I do like this brand a lot. It tends to be pricey. Let's see, the full size of this is 32 bucks, so probably not something I would pay, but excited to give it a try. Okay, and we have one more thing in here. This is from the Beauty Crop. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty-free. Never heard of them. This is Glow Milk. Packaging is super cute. It looks like a little like milk container. I really like that. So let's see what this is. Let me see if it even says anything on the back about being cruelty-free. Oh, it does say cruelty-free on the packaging, so that's good. So I guess I should mention too, this is a liquid highlighter, and mine is in the shade Just Do, D-E-W, It. So really cute packaging. I'm not typically the hugest fan of liquid highlighters, but I do like that this is really small, so I don't, it's also kind of weird. It's like the same color as that eyeshadow. So there's the highlighter right here, and there's the eyeshadow. So they're very similar in tone. They're both like cool tone pinkish sort of shimmers to them. I will try this. Like I said, I don't typically use a liquid highlighter, but I'm curious to try that brand. So definitely will give that a go. And the full size of that is $19.50, so not too bad. Like I said, it's cool down. It says warm silver. Maybe it is warm. I don't know. So with that, that's everything we got in this box. So let's see. It was pretty makeup heavy. We have the one hair product, then we have a highlighter, a BB cream, an eyeshadow, and then a lip tint. So it's kind of nice to see. I tend to find this box is more skincare heavy, so it's kind of nice to get one that's a little bit makeup heavy. But I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on this box. Josie's got a bone out there. I knew it was you. But yeah, leave your thoughts and opinions down below if you like this box, if you hate this box. I'd always like to hear that down below. I really enjoyed this month, so thumbs up to Birchbox as always. If you want to see more videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe down there. Hit the like button, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.